How to convert PDF to Google Docs. Need to edit a PDF in Google Docs. Here's the fastest way to convert it. So go ahead and open up Google Drive and then go ahead and drag the file or upload the file into your Google Drive. So click on New and then click on File Upload and then select the file from your local drive. And then once this specific PDF file has been uploaded, simply click on it. And then at the top right, you'd find the option to open this on Google Docs. So click on this, and this will allow you to easily convert that PDF file into a Google Docs file. And that is how to convert PDF to Google Docs.